In this video, we're going to talk about an indicator that generates super accurate buy and sell signals based on price action. We will explore detailed trade examples to demonstrate how this indicator functions, showcasing its ability in pinpointing precise trading opportunities. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, this indicator is called Smart Forex Buy-Sell Signal. To add it to your chart, go to Tradingview. If you need to sign up, link for that will be in the video description. Next, open the indicator search tab and type in Smart Forex Buy Sell. And it's gonna be this one created by Lucas. Now, the Smart Forex Buy-Sell Signal Indicator created by Lucas is a trading tool designed for the Forex market. It provides buy and sell signals based on a combination of price action, the relative strength index, and correlation analysis between major Forex pairs. Let's break down its key features and functionalities. This indicator generates buy and sell signals, as you can see on the chart. These signals are based on price action, which involves analyzing historical price movements and patterns. The RSI is likely used to determine overbought and oversold conditions. There are three types of signals generated by this indicator: speculative, labeled as spec, then a buy or a sell signal, and a strong buy or a strong sell. Speculative signals are speculative, which means they are low probability signals and should not be used solely for entering positions. It is recommended to wait for a confirmation signal before executing a trade. For example, if you receive a speculative buy signal like this one, you should wait for a buy or a strong buy signal before executing a buy trade. If you receive a speculative sell signal like this one, you should wait for a sell or a strong sell signal before executing a sell trade. The idea is to increase the reliability of the signals by waiting for a second confirmation. Executing a trade after the second signal is triggered can also help confirm the direction of the trend. Another way that we can use this indicator to trade is every time you receive a buy signal, you don't just enter your trade. Instead, you wait for a strong buy signal and then you enter the trade. Conversely, if you receive a sell signal, you want to wait for a strong sell signal like this one before you enter your trade. Now, let's customize the settings of this indicator and see how we can use it in a simple trading strategy. On the Inputs tab, we want to change the time frame to chart so we can apply it to the 10-minute time frame of GBP/JPY. After changing the time frame, we want to disable the bar colors. Then change the length for long signals to 10 and the length for short signals to 10. After that, click OK. Next, we will add two more indicators to the chart, one to filter out the trend and another one for pullback identification. But before that, let's talk about Henker Trade. Now, you may be thinking,
and what exactly is Henker Trade?
Well, Henker Trade is one of the most reliable Forex brokers out there, and for that reason, I use them every single day. As you can see here, this is my trading history. I mainly scalp gold, and up here you can see that this is actually a live account. The reason why I love Henker Trade so much is because of their extremely low commissions and spreads. On Forex, for example, the spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips, which is actually the lowest spreads can go. And for those of you who love high leverage, guess what? Henker Trade offers a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. And if that's not enough, they're also going to give you a 100% bonus for all your first deposits up to $25,000. So if you deposit, say, $500, they're going to give you a bonus of $500. So in total, you'll have $1,000 to trade with. To access the bonus, as well as all the other perks, sign up to Henker Trade using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. Now, let's add the two indicators to our chart. On the Indicator Search tab, type in Donchian Trend Ribbon and select this one by Lonesome the Blue. Next, type in Moving Average Adaptive and select this one by Cheat Country. Then double-click on the Moving Average Adaptive Q indicator, this one. Then on the Inputs tab, change the fast length to 10 and the slow length to 20. Click OK. For the Donchian Trend, we're going to be using the default settings. Now, the moving average adaptive Q is going to be used for trend identification. When it's colored green and the price is trading above it, this indicates a bullish trend. And as you can see, during the bullish trend, the indicator also changes the bar color to green. For a bearish trend, the moving average adaptive Q indicator is going to be colored red and the price will be trading below it. Similar to the bullish trend, the indicator also changes the bar color to red during this bearish trend. The Duncan trend ribbon is also a trend filter indicator, but more of a short-term trend filter, and that is why we're going to be using it to identify pullbacks in the market. Now, at this point in time, I know you may be thinking,
But how can we combine the three indicators to enter long and short positions?
well, let me show you. To enter a long position, first, the trend ribbon of the moving average adaptive Q indicator should be colored green and the price should be trading above it. This indicates that the market is in a bullish trend. Second, we need a pullback to happen within this bullish trend. To confirm that, the Duncan trend ribbon needs to change color from green to red and then from red back to green. This area indicates a market pullback. Third, during the pullback, the price should not close below this green moving average. It can touch it with a wick, but it shouldn't close below it. If it happens to close below it, that setup becomes invalid. In this particular trade example, we can see that it didn't even touch it with a wick, which makes this entry a valid entry. The last condition is that we need a strong buy signal to be printed by the Smart Forex buy-sell signal indicator. This buy signal can come either during the pullback, so basically in this red area of the Duncan trend, or after the pullback, so basically in the green area. If it happens to come during the pullback, we will wait until the Duncan trend changes color back to green, and then we immediately enter our position. So in this trade example, this is not gonna be the entry candle. Instead, the entry is gonna happen on the first green bar of the Duncan trend. And that is this candle right here. So we enter our long position. We're gonna set our stop loss above the most recent swing low. And for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2.5 times the risk. We let the trade run and take profit. Now, to enter a short position, we're gonna do the opposite of everything we did for a long position. Here's what I mean. First, the trend ribbon of the moving average adaptive Q indicator should be colored red and the price should be trading below it. This indicates a bearish trend. Second, we need a pullback to happen within this bearish trend. To confirm that, the Duncan trend ribbon needs to change color from red to green and then back to red. This green area indicates a market pullback. Third, during the pullback, the price should not close above this red moving average. It can touch it with a wick, but it shouldn't close above it. If it happens to close above it, the setup becomes invalid. The last condition is that we need a strong sell signal to be printed by the Smart Forex buy-sell signal indicator. The sell signal can come either during the pullback, so basically in the green area, or after the pullback, which will be in the red area of the Duncan trend. If it happens to come during the pullback, we will wait until the Duncan trend changes color back to red before we enter our position. In this particular trade example, this is not gonna be the entry candle. Instead, the entry is gonna happen on the first red bar of the Duncan trend, and that is gonna be on this candle right here. So we enter our short position. We're gonna set our stop loss at the most recent swing high, and for the take profit, we're gonna set it at 2.5 times the risk. We let this trade run and take profit. In summary, the Smart Forex buy-sell signal indicator by Lucas is a technical trading tool that provides buy and sell signals based on price action and RSI. Users are advised to wait for a second confirmation signal before entering any positions. If you're interested in this particular trading tool, you can check it out on Tradingview and see what strategies you can come up with. That's been it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.